Good day, grade 10 learners. This is a recorded discussion of your performance task in Math 10, entitled Barangay Mapping Information Drive. This is in relation to your social investigatory research mapping activity, wherein you will be updating the map of the barangay and identifying new structures and the different changes that happened in the barangay that's assigned to your group. So for the MELCs, for the objectives of this performance task, you are to apply the distance formula in real-life scenario, specifically the distance between two locations using Earth's coordinates as reflected in Google Maps. So after this performance task, you will be able to develop kindness and generosity and apply the school trust for the school year. So, for the goal of your performance task, your goal is to update the map of your assigned barangay in social investigatory research. Your role for this performance task is you are a group of grade 10 learners of Assumpta Technical High School conducting the social investigatory research. Your audiences are all the citizens of your barangay. And for the situation, as a grade 10 learner and being part of the social investigatory research of Assumpta Technical High School to the different barangays of San Simon, you see the need to come up with the updated map of your assigned barangay. You want to update all the citizens of your barangay about the changes in the map, including the locations of the different houses and buildings of the different public and private institutions that they have in the barangay and their distances in between. For the product, you are going to make an information drive through a comprehensive map. You may use any media you are comfortable to use that shows the locations and the actual distances. And say actual distances, you need to use coordinates and the distance formula of the different man-made structures, natural resources, and the like in the barangay. The information drive should be authentic, relevant, clear, accurate, creative, organized, and submitted on the set deadline. So for this performance task, you will be needing the help of the Google Maps. And from the Google Maps, you will be able to see and identify the different locations, actual locations of the different structures that you want to focus in your performance task. So we have here an example on how to compute or how to find the location using Google Maps and how to compute for the distance in between using the actual coordinates in the Earth's coordinates. So take note that every 1 degree in the latitude or longitude measures 111.1 kilometer or 111,100 meters. So after computing for the degree distance, we need to multiply it by 111,100 meters to identify really its actual measurement. So this is an example of on how to compute for the distance. So for the rubric of your performance task, please take note of the following criteria. You will be graded based on the authenticity of your data. Make sure that your data will be coming from the Google Earth, Google Earth or Google Maps. And then be sure to give quality content and never lose your creativity in doing this information drive. Of course, applicability of the math concepts in the information drive is very important. The computation for the distances is very important in this performance task because through this, you will be graded in this performance task. Your organization The organization of the data that you will be putting in your information drive will also be graded. Completeness of your ideas and concepts should be given emphasis, because if there is a lacking data that's very necessary in the information drive, um, that might affect the result or the output that you will be coming up. And of course, punctuality will also be graded. So we have if you submit it on ahead of time, on the set deadline, or late, you will be given corresponding points for that. So that's it. That is the recorded discussion for your performance task in Math 10. If you have questions regarding your performance task, feel free to send me a message in your Aralinks account. Thank you so much.